What is up, Electric Fam? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we are here in Pinewood picnic area in Sequoia Park. I advise parking here because it's one of the only spots that actually have shaded area. And then if you're hungry for a snack and whatnot. But we're planning on doing about 8 miles around this park, seeing kind of the cool spots we could see. I want to see how these e-bikes fare. Today I'll be using my Ariel Rider Xclass 52 volts, and Crystal has her Super73 S2 with her. And it is midsummer. It is like 85 degrees out here. Pretty warm, huh? Probably 85. Well, with that said, let's cue in the B-roll. Let's get on the main road and probably get Tunnel Log is our destination. So I guess they have trail shuttles here, which is free. All right, here we go. Now we're in the main road, going downhill. All right. So we already hiked General Sherman tree. It was okay. It was like a half-a-mile hike. But it was just so hot to do anything else. So it's kind of like really wanted to get the bikes out anyhow. And yeah, this is always fun. We just came from San Francisco. And San Francisco was like 60 degrees, so cold. And here's the total opposite. We were actually overdressed and we had to like take out some layers. But yeah, for those that haven't been here, there's actually only 3 spots that I recommend. The last time I've been here, I was so young, but when I was just looking at Google, there's only just the General Sherman tree, which is one of the oldest trees in California and biggest, I believe. And then there's a Tunnel Log. And then everything else is kind of like walk, hike, or just general big trees. I mean, in general, like, yeah. So we're definitely going downhill here, and on the way back we'll be going uphill. But yeah, it's not bad at all. So it looks like their speed limit is only 25 miles per hour, so that's great. Like if you have an e-bike that's class 3 or more, you'll be okay up here. Because of our Golden Gate Bridge fail in San Francisco yesterday, we didn't even need to charge these bikes. We still have quite some ways with our mileage here. We're only planning on doing 8 miles, but yeah, pretty cool e-biking this windy road. So far, so good. Giant Forest Museum on the left. So is a wilderness permit, self-registration. Pretty busy, hardly anyone with masks here. Morrow Rock on the left. That's like a hiking on the rock with no shade. So we should be making a left. Here? If I'm not mistaken, yeah. All right. Towards the Tunnel Log, which should be here. Should be. So keep in mind there's hardly any phone service up here. But if you preload your map before you even enter the park, your satellite map should still kind of work. It's just slow. Wow, some of the trees look burnt. Not gonna lie. So we're climbing uphill here. It's actually our wedding anniversary. So we're trying to explore a little bit here. Pretty warm day. But once you're in the shade and once you're on the bike, it's very doable. And so far, we're the only one on e-bikes. Pardon us. Sorry. Hello. You alright? She said, that looks good. That looks like a good idea, she said. This is like a in and out kind of path. It's always, I worry less if Crystal's in front of me. Here we go. So this is one of our definite e-bike adventures. Definitely like to see kind of different things on our e-bikes. And we kind of bundled this trip with our San Francisco trip, so it's somewhat underway. I don't think it was, when I was doing my research, I don't think it was worth sleeping over here, because there's really only like 3 stops that we could definitely bike to. But I know there's a lot of hiking trails. I guess it would be good if you were hiking. But on an e-bike, or maybe if I had my electric mountain bike, I would maybe, it looks like there's some kind of e-bike trails. I mean, good mountain bike trails. Alright, tunnel log coming up. And the Morrow Rock. That was all but less than 10 minutes. Do not enter, wrong way. Okay, one way. So yeah, I was like a toddler last time I've been here. All I remember was there's a giant tunnel log that everyone takes a photo of, and you just drive through it. Somewhere here. This looks like the Morrow Rock. Yeah, this is the Morrow Rock for sure. Crazy hike. I see some people up there. Crazy, like, half dome hike. Soldier's Trail. Okay. We're still looking for the tunnel log, by the way. Man, I love these e-bikes. It's just the overall drive experience just, enhances that of a car. Crescent Meadow, yeah, go ahead. Alright, so that's where we came from. We went that way to Morrow Rock. And now we're trying Crescent Meadow in hopes to get the tunnel log. I hope it's still here. I don't see why it wouldn't be. Hello. Alright. That guy was trying to act like he's attacking us. Weird. Definitely a slow up ahead. And that's the oh, wow. Wow. There's like 20 cars ahead of us on that tunnel log. Well, we get first-hand experience. You want to do a cutscenes? This feels like a fast food restaurant. that we're in line for. No, okay, you go first, and then we'll take turns. You go ahead and go in line. I'll take your picture. Okay, on the S2, let's have our turn to picture Crystal on the loop. So let's get our turn here. Tunnel log loop, here we go. Although this one van just decided to go against the loop, which is weird. Here we go, no one's here. Thank you. Yeah, just take some. Here we go. Now it's the Ariel Rider's turn. Let's get it. It's not too busy now. That's kind of cool. Sweet. Thank you. Alright, we just waited for some photos. Let's loop around that way and then head back. They see one person going the wrong way, and then everyone starts going the wrong way. We're the one going the right way. Nice and slow, enjoy the moment. And there might be people against us. Alright, our last go around. We do have to get home. This is about 5 hours from LA. 5-hour drive, I believe. Hey yo. You want to go again? You're actually pedaling? Go that way, Nissan. This is the wrong way. Thank you. Alright, well that was that. Heading on back. Taking some photos. That was a nice leisurely photo taking when no one's around. You have the place all to yourself. You about ready? So what is this one? It's Parker
Troops.
Parker Troops. Is that right? Parker Group. Okay, it's hot. We will be on our way back to the car. It's just, as soon as we're on the main, you just make a right. Nice and easy. A little bit of off-roading here. And we're back. Yes, sir. Get that breeze back. It's like once you're at a standstill, you feel the heat. 'Cause the sun's right above us right now. 3 p.m. right now. Alright, but, pretty nice smooth sailing on a bike. The road is pretty smooth. Alright, wifey wants more photos. Oh, this is huge. 1, 2. 1, 2. Happy wife, happy life. Our 3rd year anniversary, wedding anniversary, by the way. That's why we're out and about. Alright folks, well, we're just on our way back to the parking spot. Hope you enjoyed today's e-bike adventure. If you're interested in any of the e-bikes that I have, a Super73, an Ariel Rider, or a Bafang BBS HD do-it-yourself build mountain bike, kindly check out the useful links in the description below. For additional discount, use E-Bike Adventures. Thank you for tuning in again. This is Julian and Crystal signing out, guys. Stay safe and amazing out there. Kindly like and subscribe for more content. See you guys in the next video. Peace.